In this video, I am going to show you how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App quickly and easily. Verifying your Bitcoin on Cash App is essential to ensure that you can buy, sell, and transfer Bitcoin securely. First, open the Cash App on your phone and log into your account. On the home screen, tap on the Bitcoin icon. It looks like a Bitcoin symbol to access the Bitcoin section. If you haven't set up Bitcoin in Cash App yet, you'll be prompted to enable it. Next, tap on Enable Bitcoin and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. You may need to provide your full name, date of birth, address, and Social Security number (SSN) for identity verification. Once you've entered your information, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity through a photo of your government-issued ID. Follow the prompts to take a clear photo of your ID and submit it. Cash App will review your information, which typically takes a few minutes, but it can take up to 24 hours in some cases. After your identity is verified, you'll receive a confirmation, and you can start buying, selling, and transferring Bitcoin within the app. That's it. You've successfully verified Bitcoin on Cash App. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.